birthday, Lola Liz!
Hi, Mama. We miss you. Enjoy your special day and we wish you a good health and more happiness. We love you. Ito na yung mga apo mo.
Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you!
Happy birthday, Lola. We love you.
Greetings from Rosario, Cavite, Philippines. Happy 80th birthday, Manaydale. Wish you more birthday to celebrate and good health. From Eva Manjares Garay. Thank you po. Miss you and good health.
Happy birthday to you at Lilia. I know you're enjoying your life there with Steve. You know, I miss all the memories we shared together, the never-ending kainan and tawanan. Please visit us soon. And remember, at age 80, you are not old. You are a classic. Once again, have an 80th amazing birthday. I love you.
Hi, Auntie Ling. Growing up as a child, I can remember you as a very good aunt to me. You were like a second mom to me as well. I know it's your birthday, and I'm taking the time to wish you a very happy birthday. Wishing you all the best. Happy birthday from Spain.
My BFF Lilia Ago Newman. This is your friend Sally DeHello of Pearland, Texas, USA. I wish you happy birthday. May God gives you more blessings, abundant of love, happiness, and good health, long life. Enjoy your day. God bless you. I love you, my friend. Mwah. 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 Bye.
Morning, Ate Lilia. I'm happy that you're reaching your 80th birthday today. And I'm so glad that you reached the age of 80 and still kicking and having a good life, healthy life, and still kicking, and a lot of encouragement and a lot of teaching. And the big one is your project, the Church of Lady of Our Prompt Succor. I'm so happy that you accomplished that. Almost done, I think, Ate, yes? I'm sure because I'm following you on your Facebook account. So I'm thanking the Lord that you reached your age 80. And I'm so happy with our friends, Rosemary, Ate Sally Mila, and who else? Daisy, Cherry. We wish you a happy birthday and have a good life. Enjoy your life with Steve and your family in the Philippines. I hope you come back soon and stay healthy always. Love you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Ma. Happy birthday to our dear ML. We love you, man. We miss you. Enjoy your 50th birthday. Love you.
Hello, Mama Lil. Greetings from Maui, Hawaii. Happy 80th birthday to you. I know you are having a blast on your birthday party tonight. I wish you good health and more birthdays to come. Love you, Ma.
Greetings from Calgary. Happy 80th birthday, Mama Lil.
We wish you many more.
Enjoy. See you soon.
See you soon.
Hello, Mama. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Ma.
Yeah, we're so happy na you're so healthy and energetic. We can't be there today, but we are with you. We're thinking about you today in your party. We will call you later on. We'll wait for the pictures and we will wait for you here in Calgary pag bisita mo next year. Peace. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Ma. Happy 80th birthday pala.
Happy birthday, mama ko.
Love ya.
Happy birthday, Ma. We will not mention the age. Sabi mo nga, it's just numbers. What matters most is your good health and how you enjoy your life. I'm grateful because even we're not together, I always feel your love. From day one until now, almost every day, you're asking me if I already taken my HB medicine. And most of all, is the raising us, your children, in a very strong foundation and sharing to us the gift of faith. I also thank everyone, especially your friends and relatives who are celebrating with you there in Pepperland. We hope everyone is enjoying every moment. Again, happy birthday. Be safe and enjoy the night. We love you.
Happy birthday, Mama La. We hope you have a great time.
I hope you stay healthy and happy.
And I hope you make more great memories.
We love you.
We love you.
Bye.
Party hard.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Hello, Ma! Happy birthday! Wow, you're 80 years old. Time flies, it doesn't show. Thank you so much for being an inspiration to your children, grandchildren, and all the people around you. May God continue to bless you with good health, strength, so you can continue all the things that you love to do most. Happy birthday! We love you!
Happy birthday, Lola. I'm always praying for you. Thank you for praying for me. I'm praying for your good health and blessings and for a long life always. We love you from Texas.
Happy birthday, Mami Lilia. Enjoy your life, and I heard you just finished your project. You have a chapel. Continue doing what makes you happy and helping people, and blessings will come to you. We love you all here from Texas.
We love you!
We love you!
Enjoy, everyone! Have a nice day and have a nice celebration. We love you all.